Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to design Turing machine for the given language as given in the model question paper. Before that, I would like to share with you few things. Pushdown automata design problems, almost every problem I have solved and it is updated in the playlist Automata Theory and Computability. Please refer to those problems. In fact, I started my very first video with the PDA design problem. You can refer to those playlist. Anyhow, I'll give the playlist in the description box. You can click the link and you can check all the videos whatever is available in the playlist. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the Turing machine problem. Even I have given introduction about working of Turing machine. That working of Turing machine has been asked here in the model question paper as 8th A. Define a Turing machine and explain the working of a Turing machine. For this question also already there is an answer which is available in the playlist. Please refer to that. And I have designed a Turing machine for the language L is equal to 0 power n, 1 power n, and for the language of palindromes also. That is also available in the playlist. Okay. Today, as given in the model question paper, I have considered this language L is equal to 0 power n, 1 power n, 2 power n, such that n is greater than or equal to 0. In fact, there is a mistake in the question. In the question, they have told the language is 0 power n, 1 power n, 2 power n, but when they ask you to define the moves, they have given the string as AA, BB, CC, which is quite wrong. So if the question comes like this, you should consider the string which belongs to the language. Instead of AA, BB, CC, you should write 001122. For these kind of mistakes and all, please don't expect any grace marks. These mistakes you can overcome and attempt the question completely. Okay. So let's move on to solving the problem. Just a quick reminder, this is a transition function of the Turing machine. To design any automata, first of all, you have to know what is a transition function of the automata. So as according to Turing machine, this is a transition function. From the given state, on reading the symbol from the input tape, it may change its state, may or may not, okay? Either by reading the symbol from the input tape or by writing the symbol into the input tape. Further, the read-write head can move either in the left-hand side direction or in the right-hand side direction. Here L stands for left, R stands for right. So this is a transition function of the Turing machine. Before giving you the solution, I want to discuss the logic. If you understand the logic, then solution you can easily understand it. Okay. So, for example, let me take a simple string which belongs to the language. Let it be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2. So now we need to design a Turing machine which recognizes this string. So how do we design a Turing machine which recognizes this pattern? Apart from this, any other pattern comes which do not belong to the language, the Turing machine has to reject. Always, while designing any automata, think of the strings that only belongs to the language. If any string that do not belong to the language comes into the picture, the automata does not know how to read or recognize the string. It will abruptly stop, right? So while designing any automata, whether it is finite automata or push down automata or Turing machine, always think of the strings which belong to the language. Okay, fine. Now this 0 must be replaced by X. Then the read-write head continues to move in the right hand side. As soon as it sees 1, that 1 is replaced by Y. Then it continues to move in the right hand side direction. It reads these ones and accepts these ones as it is. As soon as it sees the first 2, that is replaced by Z. Right? Immediately the read-write head starts moving in the left-hand side direction. In fact, it has not read these 2 symbols, which is 2, 2. So what happened till now? The first 0 is replaced by X, the very first 1 is replaced by Y, and the very first 2 is replaced by Z. Now the read-write head is completely moving in the left-hand side direction. What is the purpose of moving in the left hand side direction? Once again, it has to reach this 0. Actually, there are two zeros, but the Turing machine has to reach this 0. Out of these two zeros, it has to reach the leftmost 0. How the Turing machine will identify which is the leftmost 0? So allow the Turing machine to move in the left hand side direction till it finds X. So when it is moving in the left hand side direction, it just reads those symbols and accepts as it is and keeps moving in the left. As soon as it reads X, the direction of read write head is moving in the, changed to right hand side direction. Now, this 0 is replaced by X. Again, it continues to move in the right hand side direction in search of 1. That 1 will be replaced by Y. Again, it continues to move in the right hand side direction in search of this 2. In between, whatever the symbol it comes across, it just reads that symbol and continue to move in the right. Now this 2 will be replaced by Z. Now the direction of read write head is changed towards left. What is the purpose of moving in the left? Again, it has to find the 0. So in order to locate the 0, the read write head will move till it finds X. This X it will find. As soon as it finds this X, the read write head will be moved towards right. So X, X. Now this 0 will be replaced by X. It is moving in the right in search of 1. So Y, Y. And it reads Y, it just keeps moving in the right hand side. Now this 1 is replaced by Y. Again, it continues to move in the right in search of 2. So it comes across 2Z as per this string is considered. Now it locates this 2. When it finds this 2, the 2 is replaced by Z. As soon as the 2 is replaced by Z, the direction is changed towards left. When it is moving in the left, now once again it moves in the left in search of 0. To find the leftmost 0, in fact, it moves in search of X. Now it finds this X, okay. After finding this X, in fact, there are no zeros. When there are no zeros, if the number of 0 is equal to number of 1 and the number of 1 is equal to number of 2, if there are no zeros, there should not be 1s and there should not be 2s also. So now the Turing machine is just going to confirm. When it's not reading zeros, it just read all the Y's. After reading all the Y's, it just checks only whether Z are there. After reading all the Z, it again confirms there are no 2's here by reading the blank symbol. Right? As per the concept of Turing machine, the empty cells of the input tape are filled with blank symbols. Right? So here also you can assume that there are blank symbols present. At the end of the string also there are blank symbols present. So this is the logic. Keeping this logic in mind, we are going to straight away draw the transition diagram. Okay, so what is the overall logic? Every 0 is replaced by X, every 1 is replaced by Y, and every 2 is replaced by Z. So at one point, all the zeros by X, 1s by Y, 2 by Z. At one point when there are no zeros, there should not be 1s and there should not be 2s also. So this is the logic. Now we go with the transition diagram. I take a plain sheet so that will give you the clarity. Okay. So Q0 is the start state. Q0 is the start state. So the very first symbol, what it comes across in the string is 0. So when it reads the 0, what should happen? This 0 must be replaced by X and the read write head must be moved in the right hand side direction. So the very first symbol it reads 0, that 0 is replaced by X. Further, the read write head is moving in the right hand side direction. As soon as 0 is replaced by X, the state is changed to Q1. Now from the state Q1, the symbols what is expected is the rest of the zeros. There will be some more zeros, right? All those zeros will be accepted as zeros itself, but the read write head keeps moving in the right hand side direction. So at some point from Q1, it will be reading 1 after reading all the zeros. That 1 must be replaced by Y, and the read write head is going to move in the right hand side direction, and the state is changed to Q2. Being in the state Q2, it will read the rest of the ones. There will not be only one, right? There may be some more ones also. If it reads some more ones, that one should be accepted as 1 itself, but the read write head is going to move in the right hand side direction. After reading the ones, what is the expected symbol? 2 is expected. The 2 must be replaced by Z, and the read write head is going to move in the right hand side direction. Now the state is changed to Q3. Sorry, it's not right hand side direction. Now the direction is changed towards left. Alright, as soon as it sees 2, the 2 will be replaced by Z, and the read write head is going to move in the left hand side direction. While moving in the left hand side direction, what are the symbols it can come across? It can come across 1, right? That 1 will be accepted as 1, but the read write head keeps moving in the left. It may come across Y, because some 1s would have been replaced by Y, isn't it? So that Y it should accept as it is, but further it is moving in the left hand side direction, isn't it? Then it may come across zeros, that 0 also accepted as zeros, but further the read write head moves in the left hand side direction. After coming across all these symbols, at one point it will read X. When it read X, that X should be accepted as X, and further it is moving in the right hand side direction. I hope we have guessed all the symbols. I'll just show you the example whatever I have considered. Alright, so look here. Now we start doing the traversing from this to, not this step. I have done from this step. I'll do from this step. So now imagine that this 2 is replaced by Z. As soon as 2 is replaced by Z, the read write head is going to move in the left hand side direction. So what are the symbols it is going to come across till it finds this X? Z, 1, Y, 0, then only it could reach X. Whether we have written all the symbols? Yeah, Z we have not written, but 1, Y, 0, then we have written X. So let us include Z also. Z, if it comes across, it keeps moving in the left hand side direction. Now, I said that as soon as it reads X, that X must be replaced by X itself. But further the read write head is going to move in the right hand side direction. So I'm not writing this here. From Q3 to Q0, the state is changed when it reads X, that X must be maintained as X itself. Now the read write head is going to move in the right. It is like a loop in your automata design. 0 is replaced by X. If there are some more zeros, just reads and keeps moving in the right. 1 is replaced by Y. Other ones are accepted as it is and keeps moving in the right. 2 is replaced by Z. As soon as 2 is replaced by Z, the read write head is changed towards left. While moving in the left, these are the possible symbols it comes across. It may come across Z, it may come across 1, it may come across Y, it may come across 0, then it could reach X. As soon as it reaches X, from Q3, the state is changed to Q0. Again, it will continue to read the input. Another 0 will be replaced by X. Another 1 will be replaced by Y. Another 2 will be replaced by Z. Then it is going to move in the left to find X. So, this loop will do to replace all zeros by ones, all ones by Y, and all twos by Z. At one point, what happens? From the state Q0, there will not be zeros at all, right? If there are no zeros, it will be reading Y's. I'll just bring the scenario once again. Now in this case, you see, after replacing this 2 by Z, the read write head is going to move in the left hand side direction. When it is moving in the left hand side direction, as soon as it reaches this X, the read write head is going to move in the right hand side. When it is moving in the right hand side, it is not finding any zeros. When it is not finding any zeros, what it is finding here? It is finding y. When it reads y, what you have to confirm is there are only y's followed by z followed by blank symbol. If you confirm that, then we can say that the string is recognized by the Turing machine, or the string belongs to the language. That is what we are going to do now. Now from Q0, if it reads y, allow your Turing machine to read that y and change the state to Q4. And change the state to Q4. Being in Q4, now it is going to read rest of the y's. As soon as it reads the first y, the state is changed to Q4. There are some more y's, right? You should allow your Turing machine to read these y's also, right? Now, after reading the y, Turing machine will be reading z. When it reads this z, retain the z as it is, but further move in the right hand side direction and change the state to Q5. After reading the first z, the state is changed to Q5. Allow your Turing machine to read the rest of the z also. Right? After reading all the z, it reads the blank symbol. As soon as it reads the blank symbol, let it read the blank symbol as it is. Allow your Turing machine, the read write head, to move in the right hand side direction, but tell your Turing machine to enter into the state Q6, where Q6 will become the final state. That's all. A simple transition diagram. You people also can try this. If you have any doubt, let me know. You people can write the comments. Before watching this video, just watch the videos what I have given in the description box. Thank you.